Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I am feeling so rested from feeling tired and exhausted yesterday. I went to bed so early I even forget to end the vlog. As I put Tyler to bed, I just went in and knocked out completely. So I feel super rested. I woke up this morning and I just take the morning really slow, and just been not doing too much because I feel so relaxed. And when you feel this rested, you just feel free. You just work with the flow. Everything just flows so good in your mind. Your mind is so clear. You can think clearly. You don't have a million and one things floating around in your mind. So that's exactly how I feel this morning. I really like that feeling. But you know, sometimes it's reality. You have to become tired because I work out a lot. I am now working and looking after Tyler, looking after my husband, looking after myself. It can be so draining sometimes. So sometimes I just need to fall back and take some time for myself. And that's what I did last night. I tell babe that, look, I am going to bed. You stay up, watch TV, have your alone time, and I'm having mine sleeping. So I went to bed sleeping last night and I feel really rested. But right now I am about to go pick up Tyler from his nap because he's having a nap, and I am ready to head out because I'm heading to work and I have to drop Tyler at babe's office. I have to drop Tyler at babe's office. See, he's staying at babe's office for the latter part of the afternoon. Tomorrow he will go to daycare for his final 1 hour. Then next week he officially starts daycare. So next week he'll have his half days of 3 days of the week, so that shall be very interesting. But right now I am about to head out, so I'm just coming on to checking in with you guys and tell you guys to have a wonderful day. I am feeling extremely glorious today, as I posted on my Instagram and my Facebook. And if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and look for the link in the description box and follow me on Instagram. Everything that you missed here on YouTube, I give daily updates on my Instagram of Tyler, of just random pictures of the family. So go and follow us on Instagram. I'm feeling beautiful. I am feeling amazing this morning. I'm just extremely happy for some unknown reason. Don't ask me why, but today is just one of those days when I'm just feeling extremely blessed. One of those days where I'm feeling extremely blessed, extremely humbled, extremely just happy with life in general. When you're just in a good place. Nobody is perfect, you know. There is no such thing as a perfect family, but I honestly think I have a perfect family. I am blessed enough with an amazing husband. I am blessed with an amazing child. And you know, sometimes some of my friends message me, and some of them is going through a hard time, and they always come to me for advice. And I was saying to babe yesterday, I'm saying a million and one things all over the place, but don't worry me, I'm just rambling. I was saying to babe yesterday, is it that I am lucky, or is it that I'm blessed, or is it that is just not my time, or is it that I am overlooking things? Why so much people that I know is unhappy? Why so much people that I know is having relationship issues? Why so much people that I know is having why so much people that I know have haters? And I don't have haters, and if I have haters, I don't know. I am very happy. I am not unhappy. I am in a good place. I'm saying to babe, is it that I should just consider myself blessed for being in this situation when I see people around me going through so much things? I am just humbled by it all, and I give Almighty thanks for continue to keep me grounded and keep my family wrapped around his arms and in and just so strong and loving and everything that I ever dreamed of. All right, enough of pouring out my heart to you guys. Make sure you guys have a wonderful day. Work out if you have to, work out if you need to. It doesn't really matter what you do. Have a wonderful day. Let nothing, no one spoil your day. I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. I'm gonna pick up Tyler and let's head out. It's sunny, but it's a little bit of wind, so it calls for sweaters. You guys can see that I'm in sweater, and there's still a lot of people on the beach tanning and stuff. Let me show you guys. I need to put on my sunglasses because I can't see at all. There's still a few people out, but it's a little bit windy. And when you're not in the sun, like when you're in the shadow, it's really chilly. But I guess when you're by the beach like this, it doesn't really bother you because you're in the sun. Hi faves, I am back home from work and your girl is still fresh faced and everything's still intact, as if I'm ready to go to work and not heading home. Okay, work was good, but I'm having a little headache, not because I didn't have a good day, but because I think my hair is really tight, so I need to pull this out. However, the boys are home. They had a really rough afternoon, so babe didn't really get to vlog while I was gone. We actually reached home together, the same bus that they reached on. I actually missed that bus, so I had to just find my way home because he couldn't get to come and get me. Oh no! Come here. It's finished. Oh, don't cry. It's okay. He was watching the wheel on the bus go run and run, but it's time for bed. So babe, stop it and it's time to go to bed. The bus have to stop now. It's okay. Alright, it's time for bed. Give me, you want Gisha? Gisha. Give him Gisha. And Papa gonna read you a book. Give him Gisha. Don't cry, it's okay. You have the bus tomorrow. Bus. You see bus tomorrow, okay? Bus. Tomorrow you see bus. Bus. You watch bus tomorrow. Bus. It's okay. Go read the book with Papa. Stop the crying. He's obsessed with if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands, and the wheel on the bus go round and round. He loves those two songs. You'll watch it tomorrow, okay? Can you tell the faves bye? Tell them bye bye. Give them a kiss. Mwah. Tell them bye. Bye. Till tomorrow. Tomorrow. Mom. You guys just get the wettest kiss I've ever seen in history. So he's gonna get a story. I'm going to take his clothes off. I'm not gonna give him any shower because he's coming down with a cold. So he's gonna head to bed. Go sit with Papa.
Elle commençait à s'impatienter car elle attendait depuis longtemps. Enfin, les œufs craquèrent l'un après l'autre. À chaque clac-clac, un petit sortait la tête de sa coquille. Coin, coin, disait la canne. En guise de bienvenue.
Hey guys, in the kitchen right now with babe making our dinner because Tyler is off to bed.
Hi guys.
They haven't seen you all day.
No, they didn't see me all day, so they see me now in the kitchen cooking.
Guys, don't you think my husband look like Eminem? He hates when I say that. he hates it. I honestly think he's Eminem twin.
I'm Vader.
You're Dark Vader?
Yeah, I'm Dark
You'd rather
Vader.
be Dark Vader than Eminem?
Dun, 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 dun,
Hilarious.
dun, dun.
Guys, I'm cooking and I am making just something real quick. He's so hilarious. I just have to look at him and he cracks me up. I'm just making dinner real quick and he's just cracking me up. I am making just some fried green breast plantain for babe and I. We're gonna have that with some chicken that's in the fridge. Baby, stop. He's hilarious. Look at him. And I'm also making porridge for Tyler breakfast in the morning. The reason why I'm making Tyler porridge right now is because he won't get to have breakfast in the morning before we leave, because we're leaving out early tomorrow. He has to go to the daycare early in the morning appointment, and he won't have breakfast until we get there. So I have to feed him breakfast just before we go inside. So I'm making his porridge, that way I can carry his porridge with me, so I'll be able to feed him when we reach town tomorrow. Green plantain over there frying, and Tyler porridge is here bubbling. He was just crowing and I said to him, say, wait, no, let me give the Jamaican expression for today. I'm just going to tell you guys exactly what I just said to him. He was singing and I said to him, say, babes, what you sing, say? And he looked at me for a second like he didn't understand what I said.
No, because I was performing.
But you understand what I said?
Yeah, but I have to continue performing.
He's idiot.
True, my fan was listening to me.
Your fans?
Yeah, they were all listening to me.
Yeah, okay. So if if a Jamaican said to you, what you sing, say, they're simply asking you, what are you singing? So that's the Jamaican expression for today. Say it.
Why you sing, say?
Yeah, listen, I'm going to start giving babe Jamaican expression because you have them spot on these days. You guys, you see how much my eyes red? That's because I'm very tired and I'm going to bed right now. I have a very early start tomorrow, and these early starts not doing so well with me, so I need to go and get some rest.
Yeah, because I'm awake since earlier than you, and tomorrow I'm going to wake up earlier than you again.
Because you're used to the early wake, you know. What's the French word or expression?
Chante.
Chante?
Chante.
Chante?
Yeah, chante means to sing. You didn't know what means chante?
I was thinking sante when I hear you
No,
say chante,
chante.
because I know what sante means.
Chante, tu chantes?
Yeah.
Est-ce que tu chantes?
Hallelujah.
Okay. I have a new gospel wife.
Anyways.
That was the French word because I was singing, and maybe one day you will listen to me singing, because I sing very well like a diva.
I have a diva husband.
You have I'm about to do it at the opera soon.
You're not going to want to stop you.
I mean, I'm not going.
Anyway, you guys, so chante means to sing.
To sing.
So there you have the Jamaican expression and the French word, and I can't stay up any longer. I'm going to take off my second face, jump in bed, and
do you have 2 ideas or you have only one?
multiple. How about that?
Okay.
Anyway, you guys.
Your day and your night idea.
Yes. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up if it's your first time watching. Don't forget to subscribe. time. Comment down below because of course we love chatting up with you guys. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and turn on your notifications, please, please, please. Turn on your notification. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Where is it tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Bye guys. You're a hot mess. Did you know you're a hot mess?
I know I'm hot. I don't know if I'm a mess.
Hey.
Hey.